Hi everybody, my name is Melissa. I'm from Northeast Ohio, and I've been a LadyBoss since the end of August and to the beginning of September. I bought the LadyBoss Labs, and I'm here to tell you that they are all amazing. The first one I tried was the LadyBoss Lean. It tastes great. It doesn't have an overpowering vanilla flavor like other vanilla protein powders have. It mixes very, very well, even with just a shaker cup. It isn't clumpy, it's not chalky tasting, it tastes like vanilla cake, and even the powder smells like a vanilla cake mix when you first open it. It smells and tastes amazing. It is the only protein powder I've had that I didn't have to add fruit or peanut butter or something else to make it taste better. It tastes fine just on its own, and I usually use unsweetened almond milk and just mix it up in my shaker cup, and it is amazing. You will love it. The second one that I've tried was LadyBoss Rest. I take 2 capsules every night, and within about an hour or so I am ready to go to bed. It helps me stay asleep. I only woke up once in the night, and I normally wake up 3 or 4 times, but when I did wake up, I was able to fall right back asleep. And when I woke up, I felt refreshed and rested. I wasn't groggy. I didn't want to hit snooze a billion times. I was ready to get up and start my day. Then I tried Burn, LadyBoss Burn. It's the first fat burner I've ever tried, and it does give me energy and it helps me stay focused so I can get into the gym and get my workout done. I take that along with LadyBoss Fuel. The fuel is good. It tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It gives me energy without feeling jittery and tingly. It gives me enough energy along with the burn to get in there and do my workout and go on with my day. It doesn't make me crash when it starts to wear off. I have continued energy all day long. It isn't too sweet like some other pre-workouts are. I really like it. It's the only pre-workout that I've taken that doesn't make me feel gross and sick and like my heart's gonna explode. It is a really nice, like, beginner pre-workout. It is really, really good. Then after my workout, I will drink LadyBoss Recover. It also tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's not too sweet. It does help with my muscle soreness, and it makes me able to go along with my day without being in agony from my muscles being so sore. All in all these products are really, really great, and if you are thinking about buying them, I encourage you to do so because they are amazing. It is a great investment and you will not regret it.